my name this time. I followed you up the hill where you're frozen.
Hi Kinks, it's me, Kinky Kanisha, and I am back with another video. So if you haven't met me before, my name is Kanisha and I do all sorts of videos. I started with dance videos, now I'm doing reaction videos, and somewhere in between I am doing a hair review. Yes. So you're probably wondering, girl, what hair are you wearing though? I am actually wearing the Brazilian straight hair from Aliexpress, from Aliexpress, and honestly I can tell you it's the best straight hair I've ever had. Mind you, I've only had straight hair that I've purchased from like beauty supply stores, never really on Aliexpress. Aliexpress is kind of a difficult site to shop on nonetheless, just because you're not actually touching the hair. There's no way of actually knowing if it's good or not, and it's like you're spending so much money, actually less money than you would in actual shops. But you still become skeptical and you're worried what might happen. But it was not the case with this company at all. I actually watched a few YouTube reviews myself, and I was convinced to buy this hair. I know Malibu Dollface reviewed this hair, as well as two other YouTubers that really resonated with me. I can list them down below in the description bar. But today I'm here to tell you that the reviews that you watch on YouTube that tell you this hair is good, they are not lying to you. Trust me, trust me, trust me. I'm not one to do frontals very often, none that like, especially sew-ins to begin with, but I'm doing it. I've been doing it for the past 3 months and I'm absolutely obsessed. So this hair was installed last week Friday. It is now Monday, so it hasn't been that very long since I had the hair installed, but pretty much my hairstylist, she installed 22 inches, 20 inches, 18 inches, and my 16-inch frontal. So altogether I have 4 layers. Now on the website I did purchase a package that included 4 bundles and one 13 by 4 inch frontal. I'm actually just wearing 3 bundles, and I think the hair came out pretty thick. If you can see here, I'm just going to grab it in one hand, so it's a pretty good handful. I can just show you up close what the hair looks like. It's very shiny. I did not wash it before install. I just sort of said, please put this on me because I need to slay to the gods. And that's what she did. The frontal, she did a very good job laying it, and I'm sure Allie Gray's hair would be proud. She actually did the stocking cap method, which makes the scalp look a lot more natural, and it makes the parting a lot easier, so you don't have to put like concealer or whatever. You see that? And I'm just gonna show you the other side. Okay, there's that. And here, so the frontal's pretty good, and here is the front of the lace. So we see here we don't really have baby hairs, but it's kind of like, I think it's better this way. So it's really simple for me to just like put behind my ears and I'm good to go. Just like that. Looks pretty natural if you ask me. So now I'm actually just going to show you guys what the packaging looked like, talk to you about the shipping, etc. And I will come back with a 2-week update for you guys if you are curious how this hair holds up with all my crazy kinky adventure. Now for the part you've all been waiting for. I'm going to talk about the shipping, handling, and packaging. So I am located in Montreal, Quebec, here in Canada, and on Aliexpress it said it would take approximately 8 to 17 days to reach here from China. I was like, bro, are you dumb? So I let the vendor know, Allie Grace Hair, I always get it mixed up, Aliexpress and Allie Grace, and I let them know my situation, and honestly I can tell you it came within like 5 days or less. I can't even remember because I was like that shocked. But anyways, it was delivered by a company called DHL, and it is a yellow bag with red font. Inside, you'll receive your hair in separate bags to accommodate the length of it, and it comes with a tag to show you how many inches so you know what's what. It also comes with this little pamphlet where it tells you how to care for your hair and etc. As well as this cute little box that has is a makeup sponge inside, just so that you can slay with your hair and your makeup. Like me. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful. I will be coming back with you guys, I will be returning to YouTube to give you a 2-week update on this hair. I'll talk to you about like shedding or any problems, like what it's like after I wash it, what it's like to straighten it. Like honestly, just comment down below anything that you want to know and I'll be happy to share it with you. Like I'll give you my dead ass opinion, sorry for saying that. But I just want to say thank you for giving me your time today, and hit that subscribe button with a hair flip, and don't forget to like my video if you would like more videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Bye, kinks!